Hey everybody, welcome back. If you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I was at work the other day and we had a saw blade get all worn out and break a couple teeth off. So I'm going to make a Ninja Star out of that. And here we go. Alright, so we're going to start off nice and simple, nice and easy. Got my marker, my straight edge, and we're just going to draw it out. So I think I'm going to do a 4-point star, just because that's easy. I've got the 4 points already marked out on here from the factory, so that'll be nice and easy. How do I want to do this? Draw a nice line in between. So we've got our nice X to start with. I'm not sure how I want to draw this. Let's do it like this. We're going to come down and have 1.25 inch spikes. I'm going to mark each one of these 1.25 inch. About, my ruler is very dirty. Let's do about 1 inch wide at the base. We're going to come and put it on the 1/2 inch mark at our 1.25 inch down. We're just going to draw a 1 inch line. Repeat on all 4 corners, sides, points, whatever you want to call them. Ooh, that one I didn't even get it on the blade. Okay, and then we're just going to connect the dots. Right there. There. So we're going to do that on all 4 corners. Alright, then I'm going to bring them back down a little bit. So I'm going to go a 1/2 inch down, mark that. And now I have 4 of these little kite-like shapes. Then we're just gonna take and make a circle that we kind of want to follow. If you have a compass, this is a good time to use that. I don't. All right, there we go. So I think these are a little steep, so I'm gonna bring them out a little more so that we have better shape to it. Just kind of make it look how you want it to look. All right, there we go. Maybe bring our circle up a little more too. Yeah, whatever looks good. You can always cut more off. It's a little harder to add to it. All right, that's what we're going to start with. Now we put our safety glasses on and our hearing protection, and we get out the angle grinder. All right, there we go. We got our basic shape we're going to start with. And now we're going to take it over to the belt grinder and clean it up. I'm going to grab my files and clean it up a little more. It's not perfect by any means, but it should work. Let's clean off the paint and the marker. Put a little bit of an edge on it. Don't know if you can see that. A little bit of an edge on it now. I'm gonna do just a torch heat treat on this guy real quick. Just the corners. And then we'll sand it down and make it pretty. Ish. It's definitely lopsided a little bit, but first try real quick. Easy peasy. All right, there you have it. I didn't even take all the scratches out. I'm just gonna throw it and scratch it up some more, so next one we'll spend a little more time making it even. Let's find something to throw this at. How about a box of cookies? Just kidding, the cookies are gone.